Is there a way to undo my Excel data sort? Imagine spending time organizing your data only to realize you need it back in its original order. It happens to everyone who works with Excel. So, is there a way to undo your data sort? The answer is yes, but it depends on how and when you want to reverse the sorting. The easiest method is to use the undo command right after sorting. If you haven't done anything else, press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard or click the undo button at the top left corner of Excel. This instantly reverses the last action, including sorting, and restores your data to how it was before you sorted it. Keep in mind, this only works if you haven't closed the file or performed other actions afterward. If you want to be able to restore your original order after multiple sorts or after saving the file, it's best to prepare in advance. You can do this by adding an index column before sorting. To do that, insert a new column next to your data. Then, type the number 1 in the first cell and fill down sequential numbers all the way to the end of your data. This creates a unique number for each row, representing its original position. When you want to revert, simply sort your data again by this index column, and your data will return to its original order. However, if you forgot to add this index column and you've already saved or closed the file, there's no built-in way in Excel to undo the sort. The undo command only works during the current session and before any other actions. Without the index column or a backup copy, the original order cannot be automatically restored. For those who frequently sort and need to revert, working with Excel tables can make things easier. Tables automatically expand and include features like adding an index column quickly. Advanced users might also use formulas or Visual Basic 4 applications, macros to track and restore original order, but these need to be set up before sorting. In summary, if you want to undo a sort in Excel, immediately press Ctrl and Z if possible. If you plan ahead by adding an index column, you can always restore your data to its original order later. Without these steps, once you save and close the file, the sorted data cannot be automatically reverted. This approach aligns with best practices in managing data with Excel's sorting and data analysis tools.